case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
We visit the story of an intensely disputed piece of real estate in the 1985 case, Rolling R Construction, Inc. v. Dodd, heard by the Alabama Supreme Court. The case journeyed into whether a purchaser of a property needs to examine all court documents, or just specific ones, to find out if a claim against their newly acquired asset exists. The controversy began when Ted Barnett transferred property to his wife, Sheryl, leading the plaintiff to file a lawsuit in efforts to reverse this transfer. Alongside this, they lodged a notice with the court indicating a possible move to overturn the transfer. This dispute deepened when Sheryl and Ted subsequently passed on the property to defendant Dodd, drawing her into the legal tangle. Simultaneously, both Dodd and the plaintiff sought the court's verdict on who legally owned the property. Dodd defended her position on the grounds that she had purchased the property without any awareness of a competing claim, while the plaintiff argued that the transfer was a deliberate strategy to sidestep their claim. Upon examination of the case's specifics, the court ruled in favor of Dodd. The defendant could not have known about the plaintiff's claim at the time of buying, according to the court. As a result, the Alabama Supreme Court declared the property rightfully belonged to Dodd, who had purchased it in good faith without any inkling of the underlying dispute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.